Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So today I will show you how to make your Spotify look insane. Follow the step-by-step tutorial. So for using this you have to go to your setting, and in the setting you have to check that you have already installed Spotify or not. So as you can see this, I haven't installed Spotify, so this is showing nothing. If you have already installed Spotify, so uninstall it first and then go to your browser and then here search Spotify, then go to download Spotify. So here you will come to this page. Here if you are using Mac, so use Mac. Here you have to go to Windows and click on current. So here you have to download the Spotify directly from its Spotify website. So here I will click on this link and you can see this. So the Spotify has been downloaded, so I will click on this and here you can see this, the Spotify is downloading and after it will automatically install. So let's wait. You have to create an account. So here you have to click sign up and then click sign up. There you have to go to Tabmail website. So here you have to click on this. As you can see this, the Spotify is installing now. So you can see this, the Spotify has been installed successfully. So I have to create an account for this. So you have to create a free account first. So I am taking a temp mail as a temporary purpose. So copy the mail and go to Spotify, paste the mail in this box and go to next. Paste your password in this box and click next. So here you have to click write your name, then date of birth, then you have to select your gender and then click next. So you have to check those box and here you have to click sign up. So click the checkbox, click continue. So I have created my account successfully. So as you can see this is basically a free account. So I will log in into the Spotify app. So log in and then continue to that. So as you can see this, I have logged in the Spotify account successfully, and then here comes the final step in this video. So you have to go to again to the web browser and here you have to search Spicetify and then here comes the website and you have to click on this link and then install now. So here you have to copy the first code and go to your computer, search PowerShell and then open PowerShell and then paste it and then enter. So as you can see this is installing. Here asking if I want to install it as a default, yes, and then click enter. So it is fully downloading the software execution. So you have to wait a little bit minute to complete this task. So as you can see this, the processing is completed, and here showing this it is totally done. So then you have to close the box, and you have to close this also, and then here we have to reopen this Spotify. So here you can see this, we have got an option which is marketplace. So we have install the code for this option. So we have to go to this marketplace option. So in the extension option, here comes the lots of extension. By installing those extension, we can mm, make our Spotify software much more better. So if you want to install this ad block, so you have to click on this and then reload now. So it is installed, and you have to go to again marketplace, and then if you want to add an extension which is beautiful lyrics, the, for this you have to click this install and reload now. So we have successfully installed beautiful lyrics. So if we want to see that it is installed or not, so here you can see this, it is installed. And if you want to see it, so here I have to open a song. If I open this song, if I open this song and click on this lyrics page, so the lyrics will be shown here. So if you go to again marketplace, and if I want to change the theme color of this software, I have to go to this theme, and if I install this Dribblish, so I have to click install and reload now. So you can see this, I have totally changed the interface of the Spotify website, so it looks nice, better than before. Here you can make your Spotify like a insane, and you will get the best benefits by using this Spicetify. So enjoy the full tutorial. If my video helped you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our others community. So thank you so much for your time.